G'day viewers. So here we have some 3D printed crown and spur gears for slot cars, just to see if they'll work or not. There's a couple of different types. The one I'm testing on the bed there is a 2-piece. There's a bit hard. A 2-piece, fits together like so. Becomes the crown there. 17k motor, 33 teeth. Let's see what happens. That's 5 volt. Essentially running through. And then also I can test the revolutions at the rear wheel. On there. Bring that on. Use my tester. Uh, 11.4. Yep, 11.4, 7100 RPM. 11.4, 7100. Not bad. 12.3. 7600. Not too bad, really. And running through. There we go. Let's try the Sidewinder. Made a few 3D printed gear drives. Pull it on there. Marked it to see if I get any witness marks. 3 volt. Wind her up. Six. 12 volt. It's running through. It's not tearing up the teeth. That's just a little tester. Pretty good, really. Alright, 21.5 mil. Not a bad mesh. Okay, we'll run it for a bit longer and see what happens.